Hey everyone, how you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing well. Today we're going to be driving a Model 3 with Hardware 3 running FSD 12.6.4. And if you're new to the channel, please be sure to like and subscribe because I post videos like this one all the time. And thank you guys for the returning viewers for liking all the videos that I've been posting. All the videos are doing pretty well, and it's pretty awesome to see that. So thank you guys. So today should be it might be a little bit busy on the roads today. It is in the afternoon, so it might be a little bit close to rush hour. So it wants to take a left at this coming intersection, but we're behind this Nissan here, keeping a really good stopping distance behind it. We never usually have problems with that. So it wants to get over to the left the second it sees the opening, which is right now, and it starts making into the lane, the left lane, and it did that really well. Wasn't hesitant. It didn't know. It knew where the lines were. It knew what to do. Now we're coming up to an intersection here. I like to stay a little bit closer to the middle here, so I'm gonna press the accelerator, but just holding it just a little bit. It's gonna nudge us into the middle of the intersection, and now it's going to probably go after that Lexus. So the light turns yellow, it's starting to turn, stays into the left lane, the lane that it's supposed to turn in, which is very, very good. And now we're accelerating to speed. And it's following the road very well, staying pretty close to the speed limit, just a little bit over, which is fine. Taking this turn, staying centered, not too close to the yellow line. I prefer to not be close to the yellow line because anybody on the other side could accidentally crash into you if they're not paying attention, and that's just the fear I have. So your preference might be different. We go through this intersection. There's a car coming up behind us that's going pretty fast. It might see and try to accelerate, which it is. I think this is the biggest difference between regular traffic aware cruise controls and other systems or other cars, but between FSD and other cars, is the fact that it kind of like reads the road. Like if other cars are going fast, it's gonna speed up, try to be less of a bottleneck on the road. So we're just going a little bit over the speed limit, which is fine here. Most cars, don't really go exactly the speed limit, which is fine. The light's about to turn yellow, it turns yellow, it still goes through, wants to make a turn in the intersection, wants to switch lanes in the intersection, which is probably not the safest, so it's good that it did it after the intersection there. And we're coming in slowly. It saw that minivan or that cargo van or whatever, and now we're slowing down behind this Ford. Still perfectly centered, perfectly smooth, like no complaints at all. It doesn't feel like it's a computer trying to figure out what to do. It doesn't feel like it doesn't feel like it's lost. It feels like it knows what it's doing. It knows to slow down smoothly, knows to stay in the center of the lane. Like no complaints there. But we never really have many complaints with that with FSD. If you guys have been watching the channel, like it's mainly just super complicated situations or like too many inputs at once where it can kind of overwhelm the system and make it a little bit hesitant. But with drives like this, almost no issue ever. So yeah, if you guys want to see how well FSD could handle downtown drives, I made a video about it a few days ago, so you guys could go on the channel and check that video out. I went downtown Toronto, and it was intense. I'm gonna make a lot more videos like that. I'm gonna go like near the CN Tower, everywhere downtown. just to really stress test it, because downtown Toronto is pretty crazy. If you guys live in the area, you guys will know there's lots of bikers, lots of people delivering food, lots of people walking, jaywalking, all sorts of things. So if you guys want to see Hardware 3 absolutely pushed to its limits in a downtown setting, be sure to like the video and subscribe, and make sure you got notifications turned on so you guys could check out the video when it does come out. I read all the comments, so let me know what you guys think of FSD, or what you guys want to see more of. It comes really nicely to a stop here, and it just does it at where it's supposed to, that yellow line, or that white line there, that solid white line, just before the crosswalk. We never really have issues with that either. It usually knows where not to stop the car, and just before the crosswalk is fine with me. You don't want to be blocking the crosswalk, Now the light turned green. We're accelerating smoothly. I don't get pushed in my seat. It's not aggressive. It's just smooth. Very, very smooth. We're going to 70. Also, if you guys don't want to go to a little bit over the speed limit, you guys could always change the speed offset in the settings, for those of you considering FSD. We're gonna go downhill in a moment, and then we get some nice regen here, get some charge back in the battery. Yeah, coming down, slowing down a little bit more. We're gonna have to turn right at this intersection, so we're gonna have to stop before the crosswalk here, and then hopefully the pillar camera could get a good view of the cars coming. Probably better view than I am, because I'm sitting a little bit lower. No cars, and stays close to the right, stays in the right lane, and that was pretty perfect. No complaints there. That's probably exactly how I would do it. Probably I might have done it a little bit worse, who knows, with these computers, with these FSDs, AIs, whatever. They could get really consistent sometimes. They could do the corner perfectly, more perfect than like a human every single time probably. And this could really help out a lot of people. Some people that might be scared of driving or whatnot. And yeah, now we're just cruising at 70, just following the road. And yeah, this was a little quick video, guys, but if you guys like the video, be sure to like, and we're coming in a little too fast here. It definitely would have made that. I was just distracted with what I was saying, so I didn't want to cause any situation there. That was not FSD's fault. It would have made that yellow. I was with that car beside, and he made it, and when I came to a stop, it was still yellow, so definitely would have made it. But if you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe. I post videos like this one all the time. I also have a long form playlist, a shorts playlist, that you guys could check out and just binge all my videos. And yeah, comment down what you guys like, what you guys want to see, and what you guys think, because I read all the comments. So yeah, check out some of the links in the description to support the channel. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.